Buckle up, because this case has everything: an angry confrontation, a protective pit bull, and a man walking out of court with a second chance and bite marks to remember it by. What started as a simple road rage incident spiraled into a bizarre courtroom twist when the defendant allegedly followed an elderly man home and got jumped, not by the man, but by his dog. But this case isn't just about bruised egos or canine teeth. It's about responsibility, fatherhood, and the razor-thin line between anger and recklessness. And as the judge is about to show, the law doesn't just punish, it teaches. Stick around, because what unfolds in this courtroom is equal parts lesson and legal heat, and you won't believe how it ends.
What have we learned from this? What we've learned is that if you're walking in the middle of the street, or if you're driving and someone honks their horn at you, you do not follow them to their home. And this was an elderly gentleman. I bet you were not expecting the dog to come out and come to his defense. What type of dog was it?
Pitbull.
All right. So you had a round with the pit bull that was protecting his owner. And how many times did the pit bull bite you?
3 times.
And where did the pit bull bite you?
My ankle and my thigh.
Was it painful?
Yeah.
Now here's the first jaw dropper. The charge is injury to a child, elderly, or disabled person. That's not a slap on the wrist. It's a third-degree felony, and the punishment: up to 10 years behind bars and a $10,000 fine. The court's laying it out clearly. This isn't just about a scuffle or some neighborhood argument. It's about someone crossing a line that could have ended in tragedy. And the fact that the defendant calmly acknowledges all this, that's either composure or calculated compliance. What do you think? Is he showing genuine accountability or just playing it smart?
I bet you won't do that again, will you? See, so here's the thing.
Yes.
Court is calling 2024 CR 2499 State versus Otilio Ruiz. Can I have parties announce?
Jason Garrett here for the state, Your Honor.
John St. Heiners for defense.
And are you Mr. Ruiz?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, ma'am, I did. Yes, ma'am, I have.
Mr. Oh, no problem. All right, so off the record for a moment. All right, we'll go back on the record. Mr. Ruiz, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? And did
Yes,
you
I did,
understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do waive the
State-
reading.
Thank you. State, it appears that you're proceeding on the indictment as presented.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you understand you're charged with injury to the child of a child or elderly or disabled person, bodily injury as a third-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, ma'am, I do. Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand it?
Yes, I did.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a $500 fine.
Now here's where things get murky. The judge pauses, sensing something's off. Is this family violence? She asks, but the answer: nope, not a family case. That tells us something big. The victim wasn't someone emotionally tied to the defendant. This was a stranger. And that detail adds a different kind of weight, because when violence spills into public spaces, it raises questions about judgment, safety, and self-control. You've got a man who followed someone home, and it wasn't even personal. That's dangerous. The judge smells volatility. And the rest of this sentence shows she won't ignore it.
The state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, I did.
And also, I'm unsure. I think this is family violence case. Is that correct?
No, it's criminal trial division, Judge.
Oh,
Somebody else did the paperwork for me, Judge.
Ah,
You can ask
okay.
me, and I can totally help you out.
All right, no problem. I was just wondering. because I was wondering whether or not there was an affirmative finding of family violence, but I see there isn't.
No, this is not a family.
Okay. All right. You understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, ma'am. No, Judge, there has not.
All right, outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be 120 hours of community service restitution, no contact with Conrado Espinoza, that's CONRADO, and the APSE course. Did you understand that those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Something.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. City Exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments.
No objections, Judge.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find.
This moment right here is massive. The judge just said there's enough evidence to convict. That means the case was airtight from police reports to witness statements. But instead of locking him up, she's hitting pause with deferred adjudication. What's that mean? Basically, he's on probation, no conviction yet. If he walks the line, no jail time. But if he messes up, he's looking at the full 10 years. It's a second chance, but on a short leash. Think that's fair? Let us know in the comments, should he have faced prison time, or did justice find balance?
There's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, the court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge, we are.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. First off, my client is the primary breadwinner for the family. He's the only one working. He has 4 children and 1 on the way. He would ask the court if considering all these facts, if they would be willing to probate the fine.
Okay. All right. Anything you want to say? What have we learned from this? What we've learned is that if you're walking in the middle of the street or if you're driving and someone honks their horn at you, you do not follow them to their home. And this was an elderly gentleman. I bet you were not expecting a dog to come out and come to his defense. What type of dog was it?
Pitbull.
All right. So you had a round with a pit bull that was protecting his owner. And how many times did the pit bull bite you?
3 times.
And where did the pit bull bite you?
My ankle and my thigh.
Was it painful?
Yeah.
I bet you won't do that again, will you? See, so here's the thing. All of this that happens out here with people driving or people walking and people honking their horns at you, you got to let that go. And you can't be following somebody to their residence because you never know what could have happened. And your attorney is telling me that you have children. That could have easily went, one, maybe you got rabies and died, or maybe the pit bull could have ended up killing you. Then who would be taking care of your children?
This is where the judge goes in. She's not just sentencing, she's parenting. Her words cut deep. What if you died? Who would raise your kids? That's not courtroom talk, that's life talk. It's a moment of truth. The defendants, a father of 5, and he risked it all over a horn honk. The judge turns the spotlight on something bigger than the law, legacy, and you can see it hits him. So here's the question for you watching. Have you ever let your pride put your future at risk? Be honest, we all have, but some lessons come with teeth.
All right.
Yes.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. There's a $500 fine that'll be probated,
Thank you, Judge.
2 years deferred adjudication. What do you do for a living?
Diesel mechanic.
Okay. Proof of employment within 15 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 120 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once he completes parenting classes, 60 of those hours will be deemed satisfied. And our order defensive driving. And once he completes that, the remaining of the 60 hours will be deemed satisfied.
Thank you, Judge. more than generous.
Yeah. There's to be no contact with Conrado Espinoza. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. And there'll be field visits 1 time per month for 2 months. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Okay.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
All right, because this is plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
So, let's break it down. This wasn't just a court case, it was a cautionary tale. A man let his emotions take the wheel and ended up in front of a judge, nursing Pitbull bites and praying for mercy. The judge handed him probation, parenting, classes, and a powerful warning. Life isn't just about reacting, it's about responsibility. The Pitbull's still alive. The man, still free, for now. But the real verdict, that's up to him. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more real courtroom drama that digs deeper than headlines. We're just getting started.